Okay, so something I wanted to demo is our smart copy and paste functionality with Daeda AI. So what we want to do is we want to copy 3 workflows from one portal, the full simulation portal, to a new portal, the Daeda MCP Pro account too. So I'm going to fire off this prompt and we're going to ask the AI to do that. And obviously you can see these workflows here, they're decently complicated. And the trouble that you're going to have with this is these workflows will have dependencies that you'll have to pick up on and make sure you get into the new portal so the workflows work properly. They're also going to have mapping issues, right? Like my user on one portal is actually different to my same user on another portal. So we want to see if the AI can figure that out. So I'm just going to let this run. I mean, you can see here from this message, it's figured out the dependencies, custom renewal pipeline, several deal properties, and specific user notification target. So you can see it's decided to split it into 2 plans. So we're going to create the dependencies first and then the workflows after. So I'm going to say, yes. Fantastic. So you can see that it's added the phase 1 plan here. We can view it and you can see the properties it's going to create a pipeline with all these different stages, as well as one of the workflows. So we do need to reauthorize this. And now we can execute it. And you can see all of those executed correctly. So I'm going to say, set that off. As you can see, we can go to this workflow here. This is the calculate contract end dates and trigger dates. You can see it has the edit record, the custom code, the edit record, and the edit record, both of these for contract end date and renewal trigger. If we go back to the one on the previous portal, right, you can see with the URL up here, different. You can see completely identical. So that's fantastic. And we're going to wait for it to implement phase 2. Yep. You can see phase 2 is here. We have these 2 workflows. We're going to execute. And we can compare. So this is the new create renewal deal 90 days before term. And this is the old create renewal deal 90 days before term. As you can see, same shape, 2 branches, a couple of records at the bottom. 1 branch, 2 branch, a couple of records. And the more simple, let's notify me. You can see that it sends an in-app notification here to me. And you can also see that it sends an in-app notification here to me. It's correctly mapped the user IDs across 2 different portals. All in all, that took perhaps like 6 minutes, maybe 8 minutes. And we've copied the full system of workflows along with dependencies that were required from one portal